Hello and welcome back to Hip I Am Fishing. This is a quick how-to guide on fixing your MotorGuide Xi3 wireless remote control. Mine has been working fine. I'm going to change the batteries, but the little clip on the back here, that's just a thin piece of plastic, is broken off, so I can't wear it on my neck lanyard. So I'm going to pull this thing apart, change the batteries, and then get that fixed so I can wear it on my lanyard again. Alright, again, this is the MotorGuide wireless remote for an Xi3 trolling motor. Look at the back real quick. There's normally a piece of plastic that loops around here, and that's what the lanyard goes through, so you can wear this on your neck, which I definitely need to do. So I'm going to take this apart and get it fixed. Basically all you need is an old shoelace, and you have to tie it in a couple of knots and cut it. I'm going to replace the batteries while I'm doing it, a Phillips head screwdriver, and a little bit of patience. First thing I'm going to do is get my Dremel out and clean up these two edges here. And then I'm going to go ahead and pull it apart and start the repair.
Smooth as smooth could be.
Okay, I got that cleaned up. Basically, I got to make a loop back here, and then the lanyard's going to hook to that. So that's real simple. First thing I'm going to do is take this bad boy apart. Okay, there's the batteries. You can see the rubber seal that goes around that. So while I got this view, I'm just going to pop these batteries out. Put some good Duracells in. Okay, that's done. I already cut a piece of this thin shoelace and then tied a couple of knots. It's almost like they knew this was going to happen because there's some grooves in here. So that's going to be my new loop. Now the key is going to be putting this together without everything falling apart. Because this wants to fall out. And that's why you do how-to videos. Because nothing works exactly as planned. So I'm making the mistakes so you don't have to make the mistakes. There we go. That's seeding in nice. Back together. Go ahead and flip it over. And then put the screws back in. Gonna make sure these are tight. Keep the water out. What you don't want to do is use a piece of shoelace or whatever that's too thick. You want something that's going to smash and maintain that water seal with this gasket. And I'm torquing these down good. just to make sure. Okay, there's my new bracket. Take your lanyard bottom piece, loop it through there, and the last step is just plugging it into your lanyard, and you're good to go. Old piece of shoelace, a screwdriver, and a couple of dollars for batteries, and this bad boy is fully operational and can be on the boat slung around my neck. Alright, thanks for watching. Hopefully this helps you out. I'm a big fan of this wireless remote control. I also bought the wireless foot pedal, which I used one time. I do not like it. I was a foot pedal guy before I got this new setup, which I've had for 2 years. The foot pedal sitting in a box at the bottom of my boat. I got it just in case of an emergency, but I love the wireless remote with the lanyard around my neck. It's not hard transitioning from the remote to your fishing pole at all. So if you're in the market and thinking about getting this set up, I highly recommend it. If yours breaks, just like mine did, you can fix it. And if it breaks big time, I guess, I will definitely be buying a new one. So thanks for watching, and hopefully this helped you out. Click the like button and subscribe if you haven't. Have a nice day.